How to put Kodi on Apple TV. So Kodi isn't officially supported on Apple TV, so you can just install it from the App Store. Instead, you can sideload on the first, second, fourth, and fifth gen Apple TVs. You can't install Kodi on Apple TV 3 because there's no way to sideload the app on these devices. So the exact installation process varies depending on your model. As for how you can install Kodi and Apple TV from Windows, what you'll need is to download the necessary software. So download the Cydia Impactor executable file, download and install the latest version of iTunes for Windows, download the latest Kodi.dab file, and download and install the 32-bit or 64-bit version of 7-zip. If you're not sure what version of Windows you have, click Start, Settings, System, and About, and then check the System Type field to confirm. Now, Cydia Impactor uses .ipa file, so you'll need to convert the .dab file first. Right-click the .dab file you downloaded and click 7-zip and click on Extract Files. Locate the data.tar and then right-click it and go to 7-zip and then click on Extract Files. You will now be able to see both a data.tar and a folder called data. Open the data folder and then open the applications folder. Once here, you should see a Kodi.app folder. Do not go to this folder. Create a new folder called Payload. Make sure that you use capital P. Copy the Kodi.app folder and paste it into the Payload folder, and then right-click on the Payload folder and then go to 7-zip and click on Add to Archive. In the window that pops up, beside Archive Format, choose Zip. Name the archive something ending with .ipa and leave the default folder as the default file location. Click on OK, and now the Kodi app is ready for installation. So connect your Apple TV to your PC using the USB-C cable and check it's powered on. If any program such as iTunes automatically opens, make sure to close it first. Extract the impactor.exe file by right-clicking it and going to 7-zip and click on Extract. Open Cydia Impactor. Once the Cydia Impactor detects your Apple TV, drag and drop the file Kodi.ipa file into the Cydia Impactor. At this stage, you need to sign in with your Apple account. Enter your Apple account information and click on OK to start the installation process. And once the installation has been finished, you can connect your Apple TV to your TV and use the Kodi app.